Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can apply for Capcut Creator. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Capcut, download and install Capcut and log in into your account. Once you done that, you simply need to click on templates, and on search templates you simply need to search for LANANH and hit enter, and you click on users. So you simply need to find the authentic users, and you can also find from the templates. So I'm going to select this person profile. Okay, and here you can see agency join my creator team. So you simply need to click on that and wait for a few seconds. A form will open and you need to click on that and join the as a creator. So this is the process by which you can be a creator on CapCut. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.